Now corresponding question. In the following table, velocity of particle at t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 5 seconds. At t is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0, that is initial velocity, and at t is equal to 5 seconds, that is final velocity. Clear or not? This is the initial velocity and that is final velocity. Okay. Our motto: determine average acceleration. Find average acceleration in time interval 0 to 5 seconds. Means our motto: determine average acceleration is written as delta v divided by delta t, and delta v is also written as delta f minus delta I divided by delta t. Clear or not? So first of all, determine final velocity minus initial velocity divided by delta t. Clear? So final velocity and initial velocity first of all determine. According to question, initial velocity is written 10 meter per second due east. I know that here north, here south, here east, and here west. That one is plus j axis, here minus j axis, here plus I cap, and here minus I cap. Clear or not? Now according to question, initial velocity 10 meter per second due east. Due east means that one. Here 10 meter per second. Okay. So what about VI? VI is written as 10 meter per second in which direction? I cap. That is I cap. Clear or not? Very simple. After that, what about final velocity? 10 root 3 due north means this one going on here, that is 10 root 3 meter per second. Okay, so this one is written as 10 root 3. What about direction? North means j axis. Clear? So after that, what about delta t? Delta t is given 5 minus 0, that is 5 seconds. That is 5 seconds. So now this value put here. So we got average acceleration is written as final is 10 root 3 j minus 10 into I cap. How much time is 5 seconds? So it is written as minus 2 I cap plus 2 root 3 j cap. Clear or not? Clear or not? Simple. Minus 2 I cap plus 2 root 3 j cap. After that, so what about magnitude? First of all, redraw. Minus 2i means direction, minus 2i, plus 2 root 3, that is 2 root 3 into j. Okay. So what about resultant? Resultant, that one, that is a. Clear or not? And what about angle? Theta. So what about magnitude of A? That is under root of minus 2 to the whole square plus 2 root 3 to the whole square. We got that one is 4 plus 4 into 3. So we got 4 meter per second square. That is 4 meter per second square. After that, our target is what about angle? Theta. Tan theta. What about tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular distance divided by base. Only distance, not represent I, j, k. So 2 root 3. And what about, that is 2. So that is root 3. I know that tan 60 is equal to root 3. So theta this will equal to 60 degree. Clear or not? Theta this will equal to 60 degree. Means if you represent here like this one and here 60 degree, and that is A. And how much is speed? What about oscillation? 4 meter per second square, that is unit. So what about final answer? Final answer is 4 meter per second square, 60 degree, not to west. Not to west. Clear or not? So that is final answer. That is final answer. Clear or not? Very simple. So answer is 4 meter per second square, 60 degree north to west. North to west. That's why. Clear? So first option is clear or not? Make it. First part is completed. How much acceleration? 4 meter per second square, 60 degree north to west. Make it. Now, according to question, next part, in the following table, velocity of particle at t this equal to 0, t this equal to 0 and t this equal to 5 second. 5 second is given. Okay, so average oscillation in interval, time interval 0 to 5 second. I know that. What about average acceleration? Average acceleration I have already discussed. That is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by delta t. Clear or not? Okay, so if you determine average acceleration, means you determine final velocity minus initial velocity divided by delta t. Put this value and we got answer. So how can do it? We have focus on second part. First part already I have completed. That one we have focus on second part. This one and this one. So initial velocity 10 meter per second due east. I know that if you redraw here north, here south, here east, here west. Okay. According to question, initial velocity is given 10 meter per second due east. 10 meter. That one. So 10 meter per second. Clear? So what about initial velocity? Vi is written as, that is 10. What about direction? In vector form, here plus I cap, here plus j cap, here minus j cap, here minus I cap. So what about Vi? Vi is written 10 into I cap. Clear or not? After that we have focused on final velocity. Final velocity is 10 meter per second, 60 degree north of east. 60 degree north of east means that one. 60 degree north of east, that is 60 degree. Clear or not? That is how much velocity? That is 10 meter per second. That is 10 meter per second. Clear? So that one divided into two parts. That one and that one. That is 10 sine 60 degree and here 10 cos 60 degree. Okay. So it is written as in vector form 10 cos 60 into I cap plus 10 sine 60 into j cap. This one is written as cos 60, that is 1 by 2. So this one is written as 5 into I cap and this one 10 root 3 by 2. I know that cos 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sin 60, that is root 3 by 2. Clear or not? So put here sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So it is written as 5 root 3 into j axis. Clear? J cap. Now our target average oscillation. What about delta t? Delta t is 0.5 second. Sorry, 5 second. Simply 5. Okay. That one is delta t, that is 5 minus 1 0, that is 5 second. So put here. So average oscillation is written as final minus initial 5 I cap plus 5 root 3 j cap minus initial is 10 into I cap divided by 5. So it is written as finally I cap plus root 3 j cap. Clear or not? Very simple. Okay. After solving, we got like this one. If you want, what about magnitude? Magnitude is simply minus 1 square. It means you can say that 1 plus root 3 square, that is 3 simply. So 1 plus 3, 4, that is 2 meter per second square. Why? Because of oscillation. That's why. So next target is, what about direction? So make it. So first of all, that one is make it minus I cap root 3 j cap root 3 j cap, and that one is a resultant A, and our motto determine angle theta. So tan theta is perpendicular distance root 3 divided by 1. Clear or not? Root 3 divided by 1. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. So it is written as tan 60. It means theta is equal to 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 degree. If you want to make direction, make like that one, and that is 60 degree. Okay? Okay, clear or not? Simply after that, and that one is 2 meter per second square. So finally, what about oscillation? Oscillation is written as how much? 2 meter per second square, 60 degree north of west. Clear or not? Simply 2 meter per second square, 60 degree north of west is the final answer. Make it. Now, corresponding question in the following table, velocity of particle at t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 5 seconds. Given t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 5 seconds. Our motto, that part. Upper two parts already completed. Okay, so last one is, so first of all, I know that here north, south, here east, here west. Clear? That one is I cap, here minus I cap, here j cap, here minus j cap. Clear? Now next target is, according to question, 10 meter per second due east. Initial velocity is written as Vi. This is equal to 10 meter. Due east means whatever direction. that one 10 meter per second square. Clear? 10 meter per second simply. So it is written as in vector form 10i, 10i. After that 10 meter per second north of west. North of west means actual representation like this one, final velocity 10 meter per second north of east, that is 60 degree. Here north, here west, that's why. Clear? So divided in two part, 10 cos 60, here 10 sin 60 simply. Okay, that is 10 cos 60 and here 10 sin 60. Now, so final velocity, it is written as minus 10 cos 60 into I cap plus 10 sin 60 into j cap. Okay. So what about average acceleration? Final minus 10 cos 60 into I cap 10 sin 60 into j cap minus 10i divided by 5. Clear or not? After solving, I know that cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Put this value here. Okay, that is 10 cos 60 1 by 2, that is 5. We got minus 15i, and here 10 into sin 60 root 3 by 2. So better plus 5 root 3 into j cap divided by 5. How much? Minus 3 I cap plus root 3 j cap. Clear or not? Now next target, what about magnitude? Magnitude is written as under root of minus 3 to the whole square, that is 9, and root 3 to the whole square, that is 3. So we got 12 means 2 root 3 meter per second square. That is acceleration, that's why meter per second. After that, our motto, determine what about angle. If you want to angle, again redraw minus 3i cap plus root 3j cap, and that one is theta. So tan theta root 3 divided by 3. It is written as 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So theta is written as 30 degree. Clear or not? Theta is 30 degree. Clear? So finally, what about direction? That is here A, 30 degree. That one, that is 30 degree. Clear or not? That is 30 degree. And how much? 2 root 3 meter per second square. So final acceleration is 2 root 3, average acceleration is 2 root 3 meter per second square, north to west, how much angle? 30 degree. 30 degree north to west is the final answer. Make it.